So as we explained, an AI agent needs to have memory so that it can remember things over interactions. So what we are going to do now is add a memory to this AI agent. Right now it has some information. If I quickly refresh this page and I type here something, I say hi, it does talk to me back. But if I say my name is Aemal, and it greets back with me, it says like, all right, hello Aemal, how can I assist you today? But if I, in the next message, say, what is my name? It will not remember me. I don't have access to personal information. The reason for this is that every single execution happens separately, and they have their own memory execution. So if we go here, the last one that we did, and then if we double check this, you see that there is only one message here. And if we go in the one before, there's only one message. In the one before, there's only one message. In order for an AI agent to remember things over time, we add a memory. So you can click on memory. You can click on simple memory. There are different ways of adding memory, short-term, long-term. The long-term is called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG for short. So we're going to click on simple memory. This indicates the number of actual chat messages in the chat history that your AI agent will remember. We keep it to 5. That's fine. I'm going to save it and start chatting. Hi, my name is Aemal. If I enter, it greets me with my name. Now, if I say, what is my name? It should say your name is Aemal. You mentioned earlier that your name is Aemal, so it remembers something. So literally with a few clicks, we have added something really complex in the AI or in the general web development world. So I'm going to quickly take a whiteboard session. So we did this ChatGPT thingy before. Now, something in between is happening, like literally in here on this. Imagine if this entire thing is the N8N cloud thingy, or this email.n8n cloud space. We added a chat. That chat was sending messages. But now there is something called cache, where the entire communication is happening, or the entire collaboration. So when it comes back and when it goes from there, it kind of like checks this cache for us. So when this actual API call happens, it checks the cache. It says like, what's the chat history, for example. It checks the chat history. It sends that chat history to ChatGPT, and then it comes back. So literally adding this layer of caching to our entire workflow, it used to be like a lot of work for developers. There's a thing called Redis. And for a developer to put a stack like this that has a cache layer, whether this is Redis or not, that doesn't matter. Because, look at that. One of the almost 500 integrations in N8N also contains Redis. And throughout the tutorial series, you'll know that even if there is no integration available in N8N, you can actually build one. You can build custom nodes. You can build HTTP requests. You can build your services outside and then do an HTTP request and so on. But with this, you already kind of like feel the power of N8N. That's memory. Let's go to the next lecture where we're going to attach a tool. That tool is going to be Gmail inbox, and we'll draft an email.